Just describe to me what the interim visit felt like. What kinds of things happened? What did the inspectors do? And how did it feel for you?
Overall, I have to say it was a pretty positive experience. I think when you initially find out you're going to be inspected, it's all panic stations really. But honestly, from our previous inspection as well, we kind of learned that it is in a helping capacity. They do come in, they are trying to guide you, they are trying to kind of mentor you. It doesn't feel like the big bad wolf is at your door, so to speak, which is really nice. Yeah, our feelings, I suppose, were mostly positive. Totally positive, really.
I felt the interim visit has made me understand the purpose of Estyn a bit more. In the sense they're not here to just scrutinise and come and look at everything you're doing wrong, but they are really looking for the positives as well.
Yeah.
Because obviously during that chat, when they were popping in, they were looking pretty much solely at the recommendations from last time to see what we'd done since their last visit. And then equally they were able to give us ideas on top of the ideas that we'd already thought of, and say, have you thought about this, or yeah, that's a really good idea, if you look at it from this lens then that might be even more helpful. So they were kind of like adding to our ideas and then also giving us some additional ones as well, so it was from a place of mentorship.
So you felt that you were part of the process? It wasn't, did you feel it was more something that was done with you rather than done to you?
Yeah, very much so. I think throughout the whole collaborative process with us as a school, we felt like we're never too far away from SLT. That's very productive and very helpful and collaborative, and we're always asked our opinion. But equally with Estyn as well, we were all brought in. Well, obviously we were separated into two separate meetings, but really gave us space and chance to share and really kind of dig, because we always get to chat about those things. You got to kind of dig deeper and scratch the surface a bit more into how we were kind of collaboratively helping the school, and I think that did reflect in our feedback when we got it back from our inspection, which was really lovely to see that illustrated. Yeah.
Okay. And do you feel you had enough opportunity to be able to contribute to the findings of the visit? Were you able to give your views and your opinions about the progress that you'd made?
Yeah, because in the meeting at the end of the day, we were able to chat. Well, we were chatting for, was it 40 minutes, would you say?
I'd say at least,
about all of our thoughts and opinions and the improvements we've made. We talked about the set priorities. We focused in our group mainly on maths, and how we'd taken steps to improve that. But we definitely had chance to say our opinion and how we'd...
And what I liked about it as well is it didn't feel like a very formal, intimidating chat. It felt very easy and open, and this is a safe space to share your ideas on how you work together as a staff. It didn't feel like, like you might feel like a test or trying to be caught out or anything like that. It was a really lovely, warm, kind of nice conversation where we all got to share our thoughts freely, and we're glad that kind of reflected back. So yeah, it was a really positive experience all in all.
Yeah, we were able to, because it was kind of in an informal setting, we were able to bounce ideas off each other. So that was really lovely.
Luckily into the forefront.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the tone of the process, the tone of the inspectors was, from your point of view, a positive one?
Oh, very much so, yeah. It was just kept very kind of like positive and light, and it was just kind of anything that we did kind of say, we just kind of clarify, or as Erika mentioned, we'd bounce ideas off each other, and it just became like quite a really nice developed conversation about how we've progressed as a school and our approach to our pedagogy and our SIP priorities, and how we've kind of made us realise how, when we spoke about it, when you actually say it out, how really collaborative it was and how much we were really part of the process, even though we knew we were already. But just to say it out loud is quite nice to acknowledge that, because, as you know, school is a million miles an hour. You don't get to have those nice, conversations all the time. So that was really lovely. We came out feeling quite positive from it.
Yeah, I was really positive after.
Yeah, which was unique. I think it wasn't something that I was expecting to experience, but it was lovely. Yeah.
Okay, good. So if you had to think of 3 words to describe an interim visit, what would those words be?
I would say emboldening, just because you feel like you're been kind of bolstered and pointed in the right direction and giving you that kind of boost in confidence. I think that would definitely be one to describe it.
I would say collaborative, because we were all able to have our say, evaluate the priorities with each other, have those conversations and bounce off each other, and also collaborate with the Estyn inspectors as well and take on their feedback. It was really lovely.
I'd say reassuring as well. It was overall a really positive experience. It reassured us in our direction in the school. It reassured us in us as a staff and how we work together. It was a really, all in all, a positive experience, and one that we actually quite enjoyed, really.
So if you were speaking to some teachers in a school that was just about to have an interim visit, what would your advice be to them?
I would tell them to just be confident in your pedagogy, be confident in what your school teaches and values, and just relax, because everything will be fine, because they're there to mentor you, give you advice, and everything is constructive. You'll probably just have some really good feedback and really good points to take on board following the visit. I
would say, easy, but don't stress about it. It is actually quite a nice experience. They really are there in a mentoring capacity, in a guiding, kind of caring way. And that overall it will come out and be a nice experience. And the feedback is great, and the experience is not bad.
No.